EagleRidge, North Salt Lake's premier roofing contractor. EagleRidge is the leading roofing contractor in North Salt Lake, Utah, proudly serving both residential and commercial properties in the 84054 area and beyond. With years of experience and a commitment to quality, EagleRidge provides expert roofing solutions, including installations, repairs, and maintenance for all types of roofing materials like asphalt shingles, metal, and tile. For residential clients, EagleRidge offers a variety of services, including new roof installation, roof repair and maintenance, roof replacement, roof inspections, storm damage assessments, gutter installation and repair, and ice and water shield installation. We also provide soffits and fascia installation, shake shingle sealing, and installation of all types of shingles, as well as siding installation, attic ventilation solutions, swamp cooler installations and removal, and sealing and caulking for enhanced energy, efficiency, and weatherproofing. For our commercial clients, we specialize in commercial roof installation, flat roof repairs, and metal roofing systems. EagleRidge also offers the Peak Protection Plan for preventative maintenance, TPO, EPDM, and other membrane roofing systems, roof coatings to extend the lifespan of your roof, and soffits and fascia services. We provide siding installation and maintenance, commercial ventilation solutions, swamp cooler installations, and commercial-grade sealing and caulking. EagleRidge is known for its dedication to high-quality materials, exceptional customer service, and clear communication. Our reputation for reliability and successful projects sets us apart as the go-to roofing contractor in North Salt Lake and surrounding areas. Clients can expect timely project completion, long-lasting results, and peace of mind knowing they're working with Utah's premier roofing experts. Call EagleRidge at 801-784-1457 to get started on your next roofing project. We proudly serve the Wasatch Front with the best roofing and construction services.